Alrighty guys, what is going on? It is Joseph here, back for another LEGO Star Wars video here today. And today we're going to be talking about some more LEGO Star Wars 2021 news. This time talking about the Darth Vader meditation chamber. Let's get right into the new rumors, shall we? But before we get into today's video, guys, I do want to give a reminder that I'm doing a free site giveaway at 1,000 subs. It's either going to be a 501st Battle Pack or an AAT, depending on what the winner chooses, so please make sure to like and subscribe. So getting into the set information, what we do know and what we have known is that it's set number 75296. It's supposed to be releasing in August 2021. It's Darth Vader's meditation chamber. It's for 18 plus, which is really just a recommendation, but that's what the official age is. But what we know now is that it's going to be $70, which is really a lot more money than what we thought it was going to be. It also has 663 pieces, which is also a lot more. We originally thought that this set was going to be like $40, maybe have like 300 pieces, but it's way bigger than we thought, and obviously it includes 3 minifigures, those being Darth Vader, Admiral Piet, and a Stormtrooper. Like I said, though, this set's going to be really big and really way bigger than we originally thought it was going to be. Like I mentioned earlier, it's going to have Vader, Admiral Piet, and a Stormtrooper, so the minifigures aren't anything new. As far as the actual set goes, the fact that it's going to be $70 and have over 600 pieces really is kind of, unexpected and really out there. Again, a lot of the stuff is going to be smaller, so the fact that it's this big, the model is definitely going to be pretty good, and that's kind of a good thing because I think the model is going to be pretty solid, but at the same time, it is pretty expensive, and at the end of the day, I'm not really too sure if I'm, as invested into the set to get it for $70. I mean, if it was 40, that's already a stretch for me, but at 70, I don't know. I didn't get the Bespin Duel, which is like $40 already, and, the fact that I didn't get that, I thought that's a better set, and, I know we haven't seen this set yet, but at $70, it's kind of a hard sell for me. We're really just going to have to see what this set looks like, and if it's really good, maybe, but at the end of the day, I'm really not too confident in this set. Anyways, though, guys, that's just me. At the end of the day, I just don't think this set's really my type, and I just don't think I'm going to get it, but I want to hear what you guys have to say. Are you guys going to cop this set or not? Please let me know down in the comments below. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much going to wrap up today's video. Again, kind of short to the point. Just wanted to get some news out there. Pretty surprising news, I'm not going to lie. I really didn't see this coming, but definitely interesting. And, we're just going to really have to see what the set ends up actually looking like. It might be, might be a really good thing or a really bad thing. We're just going to have to see. But as always, guys, thank you all for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time on JT Bricks.